Drawnability rear entry manual ramp system is built on the 2021 through 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. The OEM Chrysler door opens to allow access to the ramp. The rear floor is lowered from the rear door to just behind the front seats and provides a choice of 2 wheelchair securement positions. The lightweight manual bifold ramp, now secured with 2 position latches, offers unparalleled ease of access for wheelchair and scooter users. The extra-wide ramp with maximized doorway height for easy entry and exit offer a 34-inch wide ramp and a 56-inch doorway height. Second-row OEM flip and fold seating comes standard. Seats conveniently fold up to allow users to utilize the second-row wheelchair position. With the new wide floor, some wheelchairs can fit between the second-row OEM seats with one up and one down to allow a user to ride next to someone. For more information about this or any vehicle offered by the Busani Mobility Team, contact your local office and speak with a mobility specialist today.